I'm Daniel Cruz, CEO of washbnb. I'm here with my co-founder Brian Mandolin, who's the Chief Operating Officer. We automate luxury linens as a service for short-term rental hosts. That'd be Airbnb hosts, vacation rentals. We do luxury linen rental, laundry, and logistics wrapped into one simple service that completely eliminates laundry from our hosts' lives. But specifically on the laundry, we found that it's best to scale in using automated large industrial laundry facilities that are already built.
Our washing machine uses an industrial ozone system, and you say, why ozone? Ozone kills 99.9% of all pathogens, guaranteed that all the linens that come out of our laundry facility is perfectly sanitized. Also, it lets our industrial laundry machine work on 100% cold water. It's a great asset to the environment, and it helps us not only get our linens perfectly clean, but also responsible to the environment.